Identification: the black chin and facial patch separated by a broad white line from the black upper porch distinguish this from the next species. Sexes alike, is also a narrow black line forming an invert horseshoe on the chest. Tail has 18 feathers, immature snooty black, except chest and belly, which is white. The lower chin later becomes white. Distribution: a seabird found from the Canoan River mouth on the west coast, extending around the Cape to Lourenço Marques, the Transkei, north mainly in winter habitats, a common resident of the coastal islands. Wandering to the main land, irregular and aquatic bird, capable of swimming rapidly underwater with the aid of its feet and flippers. Food: small fish of the Clubita family. Poachers order small crayfish, voice a loud bray similar to that of a donkey, uttered mainly at night. Breeding: usually in colonies, eggs can be found throughout the year, but mainly in summer. The nest is either a burrow dug out of the hard sand or a protected site between boulders, usually well lined with old feather quills, bits of dried seaweed, or rubbish. Eggs: 1 to 3, usually white. Incubation: 39 days. Flightless birds of the southern seas, wings with very short feathers lying close like scales, used for propulsion underwater. Body: feathers short and furry, fitting closely. These feathers can be controlled either to lie close and flat so that a little air is retained between them, and the bird swims low in the water, or fluffed up, retaining air bubbles between them. The bird buoyant, legs extremely short, and the toes long, 3 in front, connected by webbing, and 1 behind. All the strong claws. These are adapted to swimming, and when the birds are on land, they stand upright and waddle along a particular gait. Short bill, narrow but deep groove at the basal half. The maxilla with a hardened apex, and the down curve hook. The mandible abruptly squared at the apex as throughout it had been clipped off.